Okay, I'm unaccustomed to using this camera as a video camera, but I'm going to try and do it anyway. So it's Friday, February 2nd, 2018, 12:44, 36 degrees in Dallas. Yahoo! So now, let's see here. Without further ado, because this thing eats up a lot of memory, these are all for sale. That's a 656. It's a 5280. It's a 49.75. Let's see here. All right, and then here's a boxed 49.75 as well. Made a video about that. Here's a 49.45F. Here's a 571. Wait, I'm looking at the viewfinder or the. Okay, and then here's a, I think a 9709 or something like that, Sanyo. There's a Quasar 30, what, you can read that. Here's a Magnavox, I can't remember the model number, but it works. Here's a C38. Here's a Chatelco. See here. And this one here, these on the table, well anyway, that takes 10D batteries. This one takes 8D batteries. That's a C41. There's a, what the heck is this? This is a 5250. Here's a Toshiba 8900. There's a Sharp 8585. The rewind is broken, sadly. Here's a JVC, I can't remember. Here's a Sears, I can't remember. Wait, where is it? Okay, there's a Sears. There's a General Electric 5-band equalizer. There's a Tysonic. And here's a Trident. Here's a pair of, what are these? 770s by JVC. Here's a 5025 and a pair of 5235s. Then I think I said all this already, so yeah, that's it. So just overview. I can focus this thing, right? Oh, there we go. Great. Okay, these are all for sale. I've serviced most all of them except for a couple, or one or two, I can't remember which ones. All right, good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. All for sale. Thanks, bye.